What are abstract nouns in English grammar? How do you identify an abstract noun in a sentence? Let's find out. What does abstract mean? There are two meanings. When you create a list of the main points of a document or an essay or an article, it is called an abstract. Another meaning of abstract is something that is not physical or solid. If something is abstract, you cannot touch it, you cannot see it, you cannot smell it, you cannot taste it, you cannot pick it up, you cannot place it down. When you talk about abstract nouns, this is the meaning we are looking for. Something that cannot be seen or touched. To know what an abstract noun is, first you need to know what a noun is. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, a feeling, or an idea. In a sentence, to identify a noun, you should be able to start your question with a who or a what or a where. Who is doing this? What is happening? Where are you going? Another way of finding a noun in a sentence is that a noun is often a subject or an object of the sentence. Kajal is riding her bicycle. The subject of the sentence is Kajal, name of a person. The object of the sentence is bicycle, name of a thing. Therefore, both are nouns. Again, a noun is a person, a place, a thing, a feeling, or an idea. A feeling or an idea is something you cannot touch. Consider this sentence. Her courage during difficult times inspired everyone. What inspired everyone? Her courage. Courage is the abstract noun here. The sentence is about courage, so courage is the subject of the sentence. A subject of a sentence is always a noun. Courage doesn't exist as a person or a thing. It is an act. It is a behavior. It is a conduct. It is not a verb. It is not an adjective. It is not an adverb. Courageously, on the other hand, is an adverb. She faced difficulties courageously. So what's an abstract noun? It's a feeling or an idea or a way of behaving. Another sentence. Peace is what many strive for in times of conflict. This sentence has two abstract nouns. Do you know which ones? Peace and conflict. What do people strive for? People strive for peace. What is happening? A conflict is happening. Both peace and conflict are not objects. You cannot touch peace and conflict. They are not names of people. They are not names of places. They are concepts. One more sentence. Fear of failure can be a significant obstacle. How many abstract nouns does this sentence have? Fear is an abstract noun. Failure is an abstract noun. What about obstacle? Obstacle too is an abstract noun because although an obstacle can be a physical object, in this case we are talking about fear, which is an abstract noun. Therefore, an obstacle caused by an abstract noun is also an abstract noun. How to recognize an abstract noun in a sentence? Let's consider this sentence. He felt a deep sadness after saying goodbye. How do you recognize a noun in a sentence? A noun in a sentence is generally either a subject or an object of the sentence. In this sentence, he is the subject of the sentence. He is a pronoun, but since he can be touched and seen, he cannot be abstract. What is the subject of the sentence? Sadness, because he felt sadness. What is being felt? Sadness is being felt. It is a noun. Can you see, touch, or smell sadness? No. Therefore, sadness is the abstract noun of the sentence. Another sentence. Sasha's kindness towards strangers was well known in the town. Sasha is the subject of the sentence and therefore is a noun. Sasha can be touched, seen, and smelled, and hence he cannot be an abstract noun. Showing kindness towards whom? Strangers. Strangers are the object of the sentence and hence another noun. You can touch, see, and smell strangers, so they cannot be an abstract noun. What did Sasha show towards strangers? Kindness. You cannot touch, see, or smell kindness. You see the act of kindness, you don't see the actual kindness. Therefore, kindness is the abstract noun of the sentence. To identify an abstract noun in a sentence, look for the following. Emotions such as happiness, sadness, anger, fear, love, surprise, jealousy, disgust, pride, or loneliness. State of beings such as peace, freedom, wisdom, courage, hope, chaos, power, innocence, despair, or contentment. Qualities such as bravery, generosity, loyalty, creativity, intelligence, honesty, patience, compassion, determination, or kindness. Ideas such as democracy, equality, freedom, justice, liberty, peace, sustainability, unity, diversity, or enlightenment. Attributes such as flexibility, resilience, ambition, curiosity, gratitude, authenticity, empathy, precision, optimism, or vigilance. Experiences such as adventure, education, trauma, childhood, hardship, journey, loss, milestone, triumph, or revelation. Phenomena such as globalization, revolution, inflation, evolution, innovation, migration, industrialization, deforestation, organization, or polarization. Have you understood what are abstract nouns with the help of this video? Will you be able to now identify abstract nouns in given sentences? If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.